Hello, physics. Electromagnetic induction EMF in an aircraft. And the problem is, what is the potential difference induced between the wings tip of aeroplane, which are 70-meter apart, if the aeroplane travels at the speed of 1000 kilometer per hour and earth field is a 5.5 in 10 power minus 4 Tesla. So the EMF is equal to BL into V. So this is equal to, so the magnetic field is a 5.10 power minus 4 Tesla, and the length is a 70 meter, and velocity is 100 kilometer. Kilo is 10 power 3 meter per hour, 60 meter second, a minute multiplied by 60. This is second. And this velocity, which is 1000, is equal to 280 meter per second. And if you put all these values, and then answer is 1.0 volt. So in the aeroplane, so this is 70 meter, and the velocity of the aeroplane is 1000 kmh. So the voltage difference is 1 volt. So that is very small.